Today, our topic is the lost God. Has the God been lost really? So many people are searching for the God. It looks like God has been lost. Why are we searching for Him? So many advices are being found from here and there. Somebody says, get some knowledge about the God from the scriptures. The other one says, go deep into meditation and you will get the God. Then somebody else says, do any other sadhana or kriyas and the God will be found. Is it really the case that the God needs to be searched for? Or is there any basic mistake which we are doing? Isn't it so that God is already present and available? The problem is in our searching. Isn't it the case that the fish is already into the ocean? Does a fish really have to search for the ocean? Is the fish not into the ocean already? So, is there something like that? We will search for the God first, then we shall get Him, and then He will have become our property. Just as we are searching this and that in the world also, we are searching for love, searching for confidence, searching for a good relationship, or searching for money, trying to earn this and that, and trying to get fame, so many other things, positions, this and that there is, and we get those things and we make them our property. Aren't we habitual to getting the things like that and making them our personal property? So do we think we can get God by searching for Him here and there, and after we get it, we shall have become it our property also? So this is a great mistake which is being committed by us. There is no need for searching for the God. But the real requirement which is there, which we should give attention to, that is, be calm and thoughtless. It is like so many clouds are there into the sky, but the sky is already there. Only the clouds have to be cleared away from there, and the sky is always available. So that supreme soul is always there. We just have to stop running here and there and stop our thoughts, and He is there. It is such a case, but human mind is so much habitual to making things very difficult. He thinks that the destination cannot be achieved without a great effort. But the simplest thing in this universe possible, I think that is only to get the God Himself. Because He is already found. We just have to understand the fact that we are into Him. Our being alive is the biggest proof that we are into Him. Is it possible for us to live even for a moment without His presence into us? It is not possible. He is into us. That's why we are alive. Is it not true that every eye in this world is His eye? Every hand in this world is His hand. Isn't it true? Through every body He is breathing. Who else is living here? Who else? He Himself is living through the human, through animals, and through the trees, through the birds, through every insect. How is the earth rotating? How? There is only one thing, that supreme power is functioning through it. And not only Earth, every planet. Even if we can't see, there can be lakhs of planets far from here, yet all of them are into the approach of that superpower, which is working through that, through all of them. And we all are also included. We are not excluded. So this is how that supreme power, or that ultimate absolute super consciousness, which is also called the God, is working always. He is living through us. So that which has made this thing very difficult is only because He is the most available thing. He is the most available dimension, or the personality, or the God, whatever you give a name to Him. There is nothing like that which can be so much clear and so much open into us and in front of us, yet being so puzzling. So our topic is the lost God. So is He really lost? He is not lost. He is always present, always available. We are unavailable. We are absent. We have to be present in front of Him, and He is there.